you can customize your Samsung lock screen. So let's see how we can do that. So let's say this is a lock screen and it has only this time and all the stuff. Let's see how we can customize. Simple, go into the setting. So when you'll find the lock screen right there, let's hit on it. Okay, there are multiple features. So look at this. When you want to edit anything, so when you just touch and hold, it will give you the edit option. If you don't want to do that, just turn off that option, but it's recommended to do that sometime if you need that. So this option is always on display mean when you just turn off, and after that it will display itself without even having any notification or incoming calls or messages. So that sometimes drain your battery. So I would like to have that turned off. And this is the roaming clock. You can just when you just turn on that thing, you'll see the couple of clock on your lock screen. So if you want to do that, just try that thing. Otherwise that's simple. And you can the lock screen, you can select the different kind of code, swipe pattern, pin, password. And if you want to do more security, the face and the fingerprints also, you can do that. So this is a lock screen feature of the Samsung. If you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the next video.